Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, where has our adventure led us to today?
We are in Chelsea, Oklahoma at one of the very last Route 66 pedestrian walkway.
That means right now
Underpass.
we are literally standing underneath Route 66 here in Chelsea. Let's go adventuring! There are two main ways to find the underpass here in Chelsea. One is going to be, it's literally the only stoplight in Chelsea. So if you come to the intersection, you see the stoplight, then you have made it, but it's kind of hard to tell that it's actually there. So the easiest way, which is going to be behind me here, if you see the Chelsea Pharmacy, this is actually the spot where you've got some pavement you can park on and walk right over to the underpass here that is on the edge of their parking lot and take it to the other side of Route 66. What is the purpose of a pedestrian underpass?
Back in the 30s, when Route 66 was becoming more popular, they needed a way for people walking from one end to the other, or to cross the street, to have a safe way to get across the street. So they, instead of building something over like they do now or have like crosswalks, they built an underpass, which is what we're standing in, and this is one of the very last ones. The underpass is free and open to the public. It is ideal for a quick photo stop or to stretch your legs during your Route 66 road trip. Or in our case, stopping by to just check it out.
As you can see, Danny's on the other side of the underpass here. And we can travel down the tunnel here. Hey there, adventurer.
Hello, adventurer.
Have you been to the other side of Route 66 lately?
I did actually, yes.
You did?
All these murals down here showcase Chelsea's history with trains, cattle drives, old motels, oil wells, and lots of Route 66 icons. They were painted by Kenneth Hollingsheed, and I apologize if I pronounced that incorrectly. This underpass was restored in 2016, and local volunteers helped clean up any debris, installed new lighting, and added them. And that's when they added the murals to revitalize it. Looks like we have this cool decked out mural U-Haul truck that's right outside the entrance of this pedestrian walkway. Well, depending on which side you're on, but it looks like they have the map starting all the way in Chicago, going all the way to LA. It's pretty cool. A little bit faded, but pretty cool.
Where are we at on this map?
We are right here. I'm surprised they don't have it on here.
Well, you've got the Blue Whale there, you've got Veneta.
Well, so we're not as far as Veneta, but we're north of, so like we're like right here somewhere.
Adventurers, we hope you enjoyed our quick stop here under Route 66 in Chelsea, Oklahoma at the Pedestrian Underpass.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us over on Facebook and Instagram.
We'll see you on our next adventure!